All right, Green Thumb Garden family. We're here at the Red Shed where today, in this evening's video, we're going to conduct our very first sweet potato harvest of the season here at the Red Shed. We grew about 18 to 20 sweet potato plants here from seed potatoes here at the Red Shed. We planted these seed potatoes back at the very end of February. It is now August 30th, 2022. We're about to conduct our very first sweet potato harvest of the season here at the Red Shed in our backyard food forest. You guys can see I've already come out here and taken the liberty of removing all of the vines from our plants back here at the Red Shed. This is what our bed is currently looking like. Again, I think we have about 18 to 20 slips in here. And again, we grew these plants from seed potatoes that we harvested and saved from our sweet potato harvest last year here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. We're going to get in here and get these sweet potatoes harvested, and we'll bring you guys back at the end of this video and show you the totality of today's harvest. All right, Green Thumb Gardening family, we're back. It is the next morning. It was pretty much dark during that sweet potato harvest that we conducted last night here at the Red Shed and also at Farmer G's planter where we were growing purple Murasaki sweet potatoes. I'm going to spin this camera around for you guys right now and show you guys the totality of our harvest from both planters. Take a look at this. Bam! This year's harvest from the Red Shed of these Georgia Jet sweet potatoes you see here and the purple Murasaki sweet potatoes back there in the back that we grew at Farmer G's planter. We're super excited about this year's harvest. For most of you guys who've been following our channel for a while, you're aware of the fact that every year here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, we grow sweet potatoes. Typically, we grow Beauregard sweet potatoes, and we're growing those here this year also. They'll be coming up for harvest here in about another 30 to 45 days. We're also growing these Georgia Jet sweet potatoes in 2 other locations in our backyard food forest back there in ground. We grew these Georgia Jet sweet potatoes in a raised bed planter, and we also grew these purple Murasaki sweet potatoes in a raised bed planter. Thanks for watching. And if indeed you currently are watching this video on this year's harvest of purple Murasaki sweet potatoes from Farmer G's planter and Georgia Jet sweet potatoes from the Red Shed, and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, Green Thumb Gardening family, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Thanks for watching.